ALiUS, another helping hand in early mobilization support. ALiUS has several features designed to reduce the risk of hospital-acquired conditions to benefit your patients and your staff. With a low bed height, ALiUS allows patients to securely place their feet on the floor when sitting on the edge of the bed. Assist Grip supports the next steps of mobilization from sitting on the edge of the bed to exiting. Assist Grip provides an additional point of stability to the side and in front of the patient to help patients form a solid base to safely stand. The bed exit alarm can be set based on a patient's fall risk assessment to alert nurses through Nurse Call system. When the sit-up setting is armed, it will trigger an alarm if the patient sits up in bed. To reduce the risk of infection, high-touch bed surfaces, such as the side rails, head and footboard, and mattress decks, are antimicrobial treated. ALiUS is the world's first hospital bed registered under the SIAA and compliant with ISO 22196. ALiUS features Kind Plus Motion, which is programmed for an ideal combination of head-of-bed angle and knee adjustments to reduce migration and shear stress. A range of features have been integrated into ALiUS to enhance workflow efficiency and reduce burden on your staff. NMUDI Scan measures trends in the patient's sleep state, heart rate, and respiratory rate for timely assessment and intervention. Real-time and compiled data can be viewed on PC or smartphone for efficient monitoring. ALiUS includes side rail line management channels, numerous drainage bag holders, a lightweight bed composition, and a USB port. Another helping hand in early mobilization support. ALiUS. Produced by Paramount Bed.